Hi, Sarah here. Have you ever wondered why some businesses seem to crush it online while others don't seem to get traction? Well, today I'll be sharing with you on how to craft a digital marketing strategy that actually works whether you are a small business owner or you're starting your online journey. Now, we all know marketing has evolved and gone are the days on relying on traditional ads alone. If you're not leveraging the power of digital marketing, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity. But don't worry, today we'll break it down to simple steps to help you create a digital marketing strategy that will actually work for your business. First up, you need to define your target audience. Who are you speaking to? Are they teenagers? Are they busy professionals? Or are they stay at home parents? You have to be super clear on this. Be as specific as possible. You want to target the right people with the right message, and this starts with knowing who they are. Step 2 is all about setting clear goals. What do you want to achieve from your digital marketing efforts? Is it more website traffic? Is it more product sales or more followers? Whatever it is, be specific. I always recommend using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals. This will keep you focused and ensure that you are always working towards something meaningful. Step 3, choose the right channel. Should you focus on social media, email marketing, or even YouTube? Each platform serves a different purpose. Your strategy should align with where your audience spends their time. If you're targeting busy professionals, maybe LinkedIn and email are the best places to connect. But into reaching out to younger folks, you'll want to be active on Instagram or TikTok. It's all about meeting your audience where they already hanging out. Now, this one is huge. Create engaging content. Content is the foundation of your digital marketing strategy. It needs to be valuable, educational, or entertaining, depending on your brand. For example, if you're in the beauty industry, tutorial videos, product demos, and before and after shots are a great fit. If you're in B2B, informational blog posts or webinars might work better. Think about what will capture your audience attention and make them want to come back for more. Last but not least, measure and optimize. Once you have launched your campaigns, you can't just sit and relax. Use analytics tools to track your performance. Look at what's working and what's not. Are people clicking on your links? Are they engaging with your content? Keep testing and tweaking your strategy to make sure you are on the right track. Alright, there you have it. Those are the 5 steps to creating a digital marketing strategy that works. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and you can also share your thoughts or questions at the comments below. And you can also share to a friend who might need this. Till then, see you on the next one.